It's easy to get caught up in the ever-changing real estate industry, but looking out for your mental health should be your first move towards a successful career. Today, we're going to share some tips to help you maintain a good mental health.
Tip 1, work-life balance. To start, find work-life balance. Dedicate time to your friends, families, hobbies, and relaxation.
Tip 2, networking and support. Connect with your peers for support and shared experiences. Attending weekly marketing meetings or educational classes is a great way to stay connected.
Tip 3, positive mindset. Stay positive even when dealing with rejections. Celebrate your achievements and set realistic goals to help you stay motivated.
Tip 4, seek professional help. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you are struggling. Therapists, counselors, and support groups can provide valuable assistance. The Hallman Group is available at no additional cost to base members. They are available 24/7 and totally confidential. They can assist with any mental or physical issues. It's easy to neglect our own well-being in the fast-paced work of real estate. But remember, taking care of your mental health is the first step towards a successful and fulfilling career. So make it a priority, and you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges and thrive in this industry.